is NDC. Why am I team? And now can be bitia Yera John Dramani Mahama. You better do attempt right, left and right. Hey, I catch them. What did I attempt? Oko kase doom so aba. Hey! Yeah, do attempt in Nako kana no. Oko catch us a dear way and ya debi menka. I didn't know can I no. Ha! Kase nano intine to aba.
I was a former Munina Makwaba at Bagan and Sam TV so. One more is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin as watch their wagging or comment section for them. Said Munim Danny from Mr. President. Maybe whom from Mr. President and Major also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section or Major also. Who see I'm a TikTok and I pay Mr. President and Major also sir. Kwede o baby agenda MPP. So the Munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They join on the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and menu kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Mahama&NDC president. Now also the power by India so selkebi. Na my kan yi you are John the money Mahama the book at Neze ebu die. Ya me ni amre am fa the Messiah Dr. Mahama&NDC de na sase bebe fie. Na once again me catch a gun and mabunu nyina say amanyo sem ne yeye no. Eye da chinti ne yeye amanyo sem nye print ne amanyo sem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo say inti dachi bia no. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma to me say fa bidi manfo nanim ya ma to me say fa be your hu yi. It is all your software. O ye ordinary Ghanaian. O ye educationist. O ye medical doctor. O ye hwan ni once I have an opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Omu yen wh0rse. The NDC for Kassetia MPP, a quite be one MPP for a year, NDC for all of a sudden, NDC for so NDC for Omu. Ghana semna no mo dwene ho sabre no all of a sudden everything is NDC. Why my team? Enti na kwa ka bibi tia Yera John Dramani Mahama e be do attempt right left and right. Hey, I catch them. What did attempt? Oko ka se doom so aba. Hey! Yeah, do attempt enti na kwa kana nano no. Oko ka tell say dey we nya debi menka. I didn't know can I no. Hey, Kase nano intine to aba. Yet to aba because nano be near who say, and your man kui. Timmy Busao say, and to what the NDC chia, me catch MPP for say, hey, Mumu so a combat duo by me may juma. And me go so catch away. Wo ye NDC ni ya yama tumia emubia sha say a hunter ye catch them a muntie, me nim said to me na be you. Se tumi no eya na akonyan mo tena so anam adwena sesaw se tumi no ye de mamu hia ahantan abrantie bia na menim no a na oba me show efie dada mu a na ochi moto e na V8 mu wo frɛ no kra wo nyata mu ntie o enti tumi ni ye de NDC fans so ahia se MPP nyoma na abio enti de bia me ka se politicians nsua de enti me ko Facebook na me hu de amu ye na ya mesre because my catcher say power can trick you ye rakofo ne kan you na no bi na MPP fo nim say tumi na kutan ma wo ka hwe mu ntie o onse na mo wiawia eno mo kasa bi kura kasa ye mfie o mo e bi kura asem na wo ka ne ye papa o nanso na no ye kwote nsem na wo ka ye na afi wo ka ye mfie enti na me say Uye Ghana ni ansa na be NDC ni MPP. And then person me kanu no. Uye Ghana ni abrochire they don't care. Yenya to abewie Kenya. What the country thinks of and about. It's the country first. And then political parties callous said also change Ghana callous. Go around and see. NDC ni MPP callous. Edosu wa many mu change Ghana callous. But okwa America flag and a bobe bia. And no na yehu because in Kadebia no yehu Ghana flag as against NDC ni MPP flagger. Kaba unsi ya jini te se Ghana for. Enti ya jini te se Ghana for. Mia meye adwuma meye ni ye. Unsu e waso make sure se uchi out wechi ni ye. But esa ni se ya jini NDC colors. Yehu MPP colors. Echen Ghana ninti no. Obiya ya jini die na ba se NDC for ni su ashasi e fom. Because wanyene ne ho a 4 years etwema bibia timisi. Oye Ghana ni ansa na ye MPP ni NDC ni. Debi ameka NDC for timika se me NDC ni, NDC for kaso me MPP ni. Na ye mesre. Do you know why? Because they know say some na make can truth, but omon pese meka. But eno nso ma me nja de e wo se meka no. Enti ontimi nya kwen na waka ne ho biem. E na okeka de oka. The point is that we ni yanko animunte. Ya DNDC ni MPP achia shenyoma ya mu discuss. Sometimes I listen to it na I say enti menti say NDC ni MPP for aye discussion say adwuma ani oman ni mu ne be ne den NDC ni MPP for nya sa discussions no. Menti say NDC ni MPP for discussions so mu ye ne nya ekom ene akuaya to de bia na ehun nsem na nsem Burkina Faso ka so muma yentos ni etwefa yebo mintie se NDC ni MPP omani abre ka se we de be ni sen ene amana yeye da bi the MPP ni NDC for adwene ho ye MPP for adwene ba omi abeba 2028 enti ye ba judges no ye ba ade ye be yam no hwe nsemhunu a sabi obi gine ho ye ba 2028 MPP ni no engine Ghana ho for now ba omi abeba ye 2026 so ba omi abeba 2028 na oba mo de montra ho ye nso ya ba beba MPP for no NDC for no so obeba he 2028 ye say to aso enti mutimi nya hey eno na mo gine ho but go to other serious countries ye ramu ekoho MPP ni NDC for ekoho obekona anopa no they are discussing the bema taxi driver wa wo ton ade wa wo ye dwuma no wa dwuma betimi akona nim na wo oman no sorry no mo de pressure ato oman no so say oman e was so making sure say me ho atome every say Article 36 of the Constitution the aneka koka directive principle of state policy
about 30 years ago Greater Accra Regional Branch of Ghana Bar Association. Lawyers at Greater Accra, they withdrew their services because the Supreme Court held one of their members in contempt for attacking the judiciary. They've done all of this in the past. Yet, by MPP for also they are not common to see no evil, hear no evil, say no evil. If I think what they have done is unprincipled, and that they need to be called out. I see a man no clear at that one. The way the Ghana Bar Association operates is not fair, it's not balanced. If they are a partisan association, so then there's no public expectation of them to perform any function beyond supporting the MPP. But there's no Kobase. A footfall, I can't send the and Tampana no be a thing. I can say any panel, I condemn. But when it involves the MPP, no much they drag their feet. Obi, I told me as I know. That narrative announcing before they back and trying to create the impression that suddenly there's some abuse of freedoms and that the judiciary suddenly is in bed with the NDC. No, I didn't want to go back to recall these instances. But MPP, Martin, no Martin in our common. What did they not do to people who express themselves under MPP? Meno Kasesonim said, Bobi Ansa used to host program now. Who hosted this year?
Yes.
In 2021 or 2022, Bobi Ansa Koka say, a year 10 first lady, Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo, and vice president at the time, Spamia Baumia, Omakwaje Asasibu or Cantonment Sahano Moody Sidani. Because of that, Bobi Ansa was picked up and taken to court. Make us say the matter is still in court. The matter is still in court. Say. Tell me bongo ideas.
Me name no.
Abraham Tebi or wh0rse.
Sure.
Okay, can some. Oka send the family Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo. They didn't take him to court. They kidnapped him for days. state security, they kidnapped him for days for saying something about the first lady at the time. Mensa Thompson, Okoka said, on my penima, at the presidential jet, a 2 coin. And then on my fan, Oman was only Muchi, Uncle Shaban Kukum. And I could go on and on and on and on for the things that they did to people who express views in this country. How is it that suddenly, almost the same and Rana, amount for no, then suddenly they are insulting and attacking judges. Okay, Muntiatre, Obi, Muntiatre, were they not sentenced to 4 months imprisonment for abusing judges? Yampuma got 2 years.
Yes.
For abusing judges. Okay? The owner of Radio Good at the time, Mr. Atuahwe, and now on the baby, he didn't even know who was appearing on his program that day. You buy one for a fine of 30,000 cities because of some of the radio stations. And yet, before no more say, Oklahoma say, Adia, court near any at the papa. Did they not jubilate over it? Oman condemned those of us who insisted, say, the sentence was a bit excessive. Oman condemned. It's no craning and young people complain. Tell you, of course, another part. Me, I've told you, say, I don't believe to be cast some effort in that necessarily should lead to prosecution and after imprisonment, unless say, it breaches the peace and after it threatens the life of the individual concerned. But can young people say same? What is their position? Last week, that was about my issue statement. Claiming, say, free speech is being criminalized. Abra Nigeria, Obika Nigeria wants someone. Yachi Nipano, make us say, assembly court will be answered. What was Dr. Bamia's position? Sabi Oka, so, in all fairness and honesty, can you say, said them before, can a genuine? So, we need to be fair. Now, more journalists, I told you, there's a Mujai say, I said, by an NDC, not any NDC, MPP, assembly. Okay? I think no matter that, all complaining. Did you not file a case and within 2 hours, the full panel of the Supreme Court was assembled? That's a mediation in Ghana. Are there no cases? Aqua Quarter, we in the NDC have expressed reservations about them. And before it still say it was right. So for as long as courts rule, there will be disagreements. But nobody can frontally disrespect a judge in the manner that Asenoma did. Ghana Bar Association, not too. Because there are people in society here, they have less responsibility. Who have been punished. Or he never ban or represent our XYZ TV. Or what can I say? Nana Jantua, a party Supreme Court to the MPP for. Gofredame cited him for contempt at the High Court. I mean, meet with you after 14 days, 2 weeks. Obi, I can't make a boy.
Yeah, but honorable, I mean, all the instances now, one manner. There were instances at the NDC that in opposition complained about, based on which the NDC promised to reset this country. Resetting, in my understanding, means you do something materially different from what you complained about. If you do the same things and I reset, now or justification is MPP for also that is some way. And
Obi, Attorney General Gofred Damitayini, or you be a court, a prosecuting. President Gofred Damitayini, for saying anything against the judiciary. Says about power.
No, sir, Attorney General delegated power, so they become a police, and the police are prosecuting people.
Question. But you see,
yes,
a judge, the assembly, not the judge rules, president of the country, Attorney General, cannot say, said my judge and enforce it. William said, in a Abonye case, the prosecution actually opposed one of the denials of bail, and yet the judge went ahead to remand Abonye. So you must speak to that. So that it doesn't create the impression, say, the MPP before, There are instances also where members of the public have complained about what some have said about them. There's an instance of a journalist, or a BB, a former NCA board chairman, former NCA board chairman, on a member of this government went to complain